Hello, 1 2 1 2. Can you hear me? Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel dedicated to beauty, hair, business, and lifestyle. If you're a beginner and a lover of all things makeup, you'll come to the right place. I'm glad to welcome you in this space, this safe space where I will share my experience, my advice, everything that could help you in your makeup journey, in maintaining your hair, your afro natural hair, in business, and show you some of my lifestyle. I have been passionate about makeups for a couple of years now, and I will tell you more about the day I really discovered that that's what I wanted to do. So basically, my best friend reached out to me after years of not talking, but there wasn't no beef. We were just not talking because of life. We had to get our life together. We just grew up, work, and everything. But yeah, she reached out to me because she was trying to find a makeup artist for one of her photo shoots. And she went on Instagram to find a makeup artist. And she just fell on me, and she was like, "Oh, you're a makeup artist now? Okay, so let me see what's up." So she texted me. She explained to me that she wanted to do a photo shoot and she needed an MA to do her makeup. Would I be interested? Of course, yes, I am interested, girl. It's been years since we didn't show each other, so this was like a time to catch up, and I could do the work. So I went to her town, and the day before we talked about what kind of makeup that she wanted, what she had in mind, and she had a couple ideas of what she wanted, but none for the makeup. So I was really free to do whatever. I was pretty glad. For this event, she decided to rent an Airbnb because she really liked the place. It was really pretty. There was many places we could actually shoot, so this was beautiful. It was pretty great, and the photograph, just love it. Love the idea. So basically we reached before the photograph, so I had 1.5 hours to do her makeup, and as soon as we reached, I started to do the makeup and everything because I didn't want for the photograph to wait too much. That's always what we want as makeup artists. We always don't want to make the photograph wait, but we always know we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Think too much, but yeah, I did my best. So I started to do her makeup. She started live on TikTok and everything. So yeah, we was just talking, a little chit chat while I was doing her makeup, laughing, a lot of catching up to do. And then the photograph came a bit early, and if you want my opinion, I think it came too early, It was right on time. Okay, yes, I will tell the truth. It was right on time. I didn't finish the makeup, but it was really nice. It was like no problem. And even I have to say that it was really happy and really surprised that my friend really took this photo shoot really seriously. She really thought about everything, to her hair, outfit, makeup. She hired a makeup artist to do her makeup and everything when she could have done it by herself. Nah, the girl was prepared. And even the photograph was ready. Everybody was set up. The photograph bring a lot of accessories. It was yeah, if you have an idea, if you want to try different stuff and thing. It even had at the end of the photo shoot, we had a couple of pictures to take, and it was do you want to add some glitters, some diamond? It was for me to the makeup and thing. I was like, damn, he even have diamond and glitter. That's a photograph I like. Yes, we're about to work together for a while because it was prepared, and we love somebody who's prepared like that. It was really one of the best photo shoot I ever did. And so what I was doing it, because I used to do my friend makeup when they have like photo shoot and stuff like that, and really it was just for the fun. They came at my house, they came at my place, I do the makeup, and then bam, they dip and they go at their photo shoot. But this time, like, I was young and I was like, I like that. Like, I see myself doing this for the rest of my life. Like, yeah, what am I doing? Losing my time in a corporate job that I love. I must say, I love that job. I'm still up there right now. I love that job, but it's not my passion. I'm not passionate about going to work every morning. I just do it because I got to do it. I like it. It's a great job. I appreciate what I'm doing. I'm helping people. I'm doing something that really serving a lot of people. That's great, but is it something that really moved me? I don't think so. So really, while we were doing the photo shoot, I was looking at my friend, I was looking at a photograph, I was looking at myself standing here, and I was like, girl, that's your calling. Like, that's what you need to do. And I decided to start and become a makeup artist. And this leads me to where I'm at right now, in front of you guys, telling you about my new YouTube channel, where I will be giving a lot of tips about makeup, teaching you everything I can so we could really create some beautiful styles together. For my beauty, natural afro hair girlies, I will do some hairstyles, protective hairstyle, hair care, everything, so that you can really enhance the way you take care of your hair. If you just stop taking care of your hair the way you used to, because that was me at some point. I stopped taking care of my hair. They was just there, putting them in a puff. It wasn't that type of puff. It was really like a puff, and always just like that, because I was tired of them. I thought they wasn't growing the way I wanted it, and yeah, I was really tired of them. But then my bestie, it's important to have some really, really nice besties around you, great people to really uplift you in those times where you just not feeling good, you're not feeling yourself. And really, she just makes me want to take good care of my hair again. So I started, I followed some of her advice. Really, it did help me with my hair growth. Really, now look at them. You can tell they're healthy, right? You can tell they're living. That's what we want. So I will give you some tips. And since I've always used to do my friend's hair, so like braids, twist, with their natural hair or not, anything, even locks. Now, since like 2 years and a half, I learned how to do locks, twist, do some pretty hairstyle. I always love, everything about hair. It's about the business. I have a little surprise. Just a very, very few people I know about this. It's about business. It's about beauty. It's about style. It's about being pretty. And you guys actually are going to find a little hints about the business I'm in the beauty industry. I guess it might be easy or not to find out, but that's up to you guys. So if you find out what this hint is, put it in the comment below. Tell me if you found it or what you might think it is. And yes, I will tell you guys about my upcoming launch and all the preparation I had to do before launching the organization, and since when I've been working on that project on the low, because it's been quite a time. And I'm really, really, really grateful and glad it's finally going out, going live. So stay tuned. Say cheers to this upcoming adventure. I can't wait for you to see all the pretty surprises, all the content I created for this YouTube channel. So stay with me, bear with me, because there will be some up and down, There has been, there will be, but we are ready. We are ready for it. I'm really happy to be a part of. I'm really happy to be a part of your beauty journey. I'm really happy. What? I'm really happy. I'm. Je comprends pas que je suis really happy. I'm really. Je peux même plus le dire. Okay. I'm really. I'm really happy to be a part of your beauty journey and to support you in your evolution. So thank you guys for watching. See you soon. I will regularly publish new content every Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, everything, so like that you won't miss any of my future videos. Because I'm really glad, I'm really excited to do this with you guys. Like, this is the first time for me really getting out there. I started with Instagram, right now it's YouTube. As you can see, I'm a little shy right now. Like, yeah, I'm shy. But I'm glad, you know, you gotta go outside of your comfort zone. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I hope you guys like what I will share with you. I hope you like this first video of presentation where you can know a little bit of about me, what will come next and everything. I was glad talking to you guys. I think we're going to do this often. We're gonna do some chit chat videos sometime. Yes, really cozy and thing. Here is it. So I'm really glad. Ooh, this makeup is popping though. I'm kind of feeling myself right now, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm still with you guys. I'm still with you. Stay with me. Stay with me. If you guys like the makeup I did for today's videos and you want to see how I did it, I created a tutorial for you guys that you can see. I think right there, or maybe here. I don't know yet, but you will see the video somewhere up here, and I hope you will go check it. This is all I wanted to say. I hope I will see y'all in the next videos, you know, in the comment section. I will let you guys discover my world, discover what I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoy, and see you soon. Bye, beauty babe.
Wow.